Hi, are you my new neighbor?
Yes, I am. I just moved in yesterday. My name is Daniel.
Nice to meet you, Daniel. I'm Grace. I live right next door.
Nice to meet you too, Grace.
Where did you move from?
I moved from Chicago. What about you? Have you lived here long?
Yes, about 3 years now. It's a quiet street. You'll like it here.
That's good to hear. Is there a grocery store near here?
Yes, there's one 2 minutes away, just around the corner.
Perfect, thank you.
No problem. If you ever need anything, just knock on my door.
That's very kind of you. I really appreciate it.
Of course. Well, I should get going. It was great meeting you, Daniel.
Same here, Grace. See you around. Hi, Grace. Sorry to bother you.
Oh, hi, Daniel. No problem at all. Is everything okay?
Actually, I have a small problem. My kitchen sink is leaking, and I don't know any good plumbers in this area.
I know a great plumber. His name is Marco. He fixed mine last year.
That would be amazing. Could you give me his number?
Of course. Hold on 1 second. Here you go. Tell him Grace sent you. He gives a discount to neighbors.
Thank you so much. I owe you one.
Don't worry about it. That's what neighbors are for.
Still, let me know if there's ever anything I can do for you too.
Actually, now that you mention it, do you know anything about computers? Mine has been acting strange lately.
I can take a look this weekend if you'd like.
That would be great, thank you.
See? Neighbors helping neighbors.
Exactly. I'm glad you moved in next door, Daniel. Let's review some useful phrases. You can say sorry to bother you before asking for help. That would be amazing. You can say this when someone offers to help, and you want to show strong appreciation. I owe you one. You can say this when someone helps you, and you want to tell them you will return the favor one day. Now that you mention it, you can say this when someone's words remind you of something else, and you want to add a related thought. Question time! Now let's check what you understood. I'll ask a question, and I want you to write your answer in the comments below. What is the new neighbor's name? Where did Daniel move from? You did great today. See you in the next lesson. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap the bell so you're always the first to know when a new lesson drops.